Hey guys, so I know you play the game Toon Blast, so in this video, I'll just show you a Toon Blast hack. So as you can see, I'm broke, but I can turn on unlimited coins, so let me just turn that on, and now the coins should start going up. So as you can see, our current value of coins, so let's see if they start increasing. You can see I got 2,900 coins, so let's see if that goes up or not, and then we'll find out. So let's see if we see more coins. Yeah, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. So let's get into the video, bro. This is super cool. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So what you need to do, guys, is go over to tweakmod.com and just go to the search bar, type in Toon Blast, and there it is. So go ahead and press install. Now, before it downloads, there will be a verification. This is just the last step. You got to download like 2 apps, follow instructions. It's 100% for free, guys, from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so it shouldn't take that long. But yeah, it's super cool, guys. So if you are broke and you can't afford money in Toon Blast, which personally I cannot, then you're going to be very excited about this modded version for your device. So here we go. Now we go to the next step, and we just got to download 2 of these apps. So as you can see, there's tons of them. So like Family Island says reach level 10, so I could do that. Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. DraftKings, you gotta search something up. So yeah, I'll see you later, but that's how I get Toon Blast hack for your device. Super cool, guys. It fully works for iOS and Android, so if you guys are broke, you're gonna love this Toon Blast mod. It's super cool. There's some many features in here, so pretty wild. I'll see you guys in another video, and peace out, bro.